Good morning, children. Have a nice day. How are you? Children, all are you finished your classwork, homework? Okay, now let us start to write today classwork. Okay, children, all of you take your classwork note, take your pencil, pen, scale, everything. Take first. Take the classwork. Today we are going to write the classwork. Okay. In the previous class we marked book activities also, yes, and give reason also we finished. Today we are going to write distant gives between. Maybe I think like that only. Yes or no? Check the page number 94. Yeah, distant gives between metamorphic rock and sedimentary rock. 8th, Roman letter 8. Okay? Okay, write in the note. First question is there. See and write. See, put line however it is given, put the line and write. Okay. Write clearly, write neatly, children. Did you finish? Okay, now write second question. Write it fast, write neatly. Some children are writing very good. Very happy I am. Maintain this one. See, if you want question finish, you leave one line and write the second question, okay? Then only it will looks good. Now we are going to write answer briefly, okay? Page number 94, you see the book and write it, okay? Roman letter 9th, answer briefly. Did you finish this question? Distinguish between two questions. Okay, now let us to write answer in briefly, okay? But here I wrote give short answer, okay? Because briefly means big question it will become. So this is little only. How are igneous rocks formed? The igneous rocks are formed by the solidification of molten magma. Okay, now we can write second question. Okay, children. Write fast. Describe about the composition of soil. Write third question, children. state the types of soils. What are the soils are there? Alluvial, black, red, laterals, mountains, desert. Did you finish, children? We wrote today. Distance gives between two questions and a short answer is 5. Okay. Now we are going to mark now we are going to write this question. Okay, we are going to not write, I will say to mark in your book. Okay, big questions, so you are unable to write in the note, so I will give the answer in your book, you mark it. Okay, children, which one we are going to do? Roman letter 10. Give detailed answer for the following is given in my mobile, but in your book answer in the paragraph. Okay, little difference is there, but I will mark in the answer in your book. Okay, all of you take your page number 94. Question number 1. Explain the process of soil formation. Page number 89. See page number 89. Soil and its formation is there. This one you want to draw, okay? Soil properties, parent material, climate. That box, little box is there, no 3V, 5, 6L. That is no need, okay? You draw one soil properties and write the process, okay, children? Okay, from here to gradually. Okay, from here soil and its formation to gradually. Near you write Roman letter 10. Yes, children? Is or no? Yeah, 10. First question. Okay, first question. 10th first question. Okay, children? Did you mark soil and formation lerundu this way the soil gets matured gradually? இது வரைக்கும் என்ன செஞ்சிருக்கணும், படிச்சிருக்கணும். ஓகேவா? இந்த கொஸ்டின் 10th நம்பர் ரோமன் லெட்டர் 10 ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். ஓகேவா? நவ் page number 85. Page number 85. See, classification of rocks are there. Yes or no? Yeah. From there you want to mark according to the mode of formation the rocks are classified into 3 types as follows. From here to metamorphic rocks. Write 10th Roman letter 2. Okay, 10th Roman letter 2. You put 2, okay? I can't write, but you write 2, okay? The next, the same question only. Mark it. Page number 86. Primary rocks to from this rocks. Same question. Types of igneous rocks. Interest you? Igneous rocks. 85 இருக்குது, 86ல parent rocksல இருந்து இருக்குது. Types of igneous rocks. Okay, மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோ. Next, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு செடிமெண்ட்ரி ராக்ஸ்லேயும் இருக்குது, அதே சேம் கொஸ்டின். ஓகேவாம்மா? தேவிலேருந்து to stratified rocks. Okay, from there to stratified rock. Roman letter 10 போட்டு 2 போட்டுக்கோ பக்கத்தில். Okay, you put Roman letter 10 and put 2. Okay, and again same page. Same page, you mark it when to metamorism. Up to here you want to write, not write, mark it. Okay, when igneous and sedimentary rocks, dynamic, there are two types are there. Okay, thermal metamorism and dynamic. Second enadhu dynamic metamorism. அதையும் எழுதிட்டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் தெர்மல் மெட்டஃபோரிசம் எழுதணும். செகண்ட் டைப் என்னது டைனமிக் மெட்டஃபோரிசம். சரியா, உனக்கு புரிகிற மாதிரி நீ மார்க் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோ. யூ மார்க் இட். ஓகே, when the igneous அப்போ என்னெல்லாம் வரும், whatever it will come. Again I am saying this question, you check it. Classification of rocksல according to metamorphic rocks. Okay, then turn the page 86. igneous rocks இருக்குல்ல, அதில் parent rocks, அதிலிருந்து from these rocks வரைக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட் igneous rocks, types of igneous rocks இருக்குல்ல, அதில் igneous rocks are two types. There are extrusive, intrusive. அதையும் மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோ. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 87 பேஜுக்கு வா. sedimentary rocks. The sedimentary rocks are formed 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th line. The sedimentary rocks, அதிலிருந்து அந்த full para stratified rocks. ஓகேவாமா? நெக்ஸ்ட்டு அதே சேம் கொஸ்டின் ஹெட்டிங் போட்டுக்கோ, மெட்டமோரிக் ராக்ஸ் போட்டுட்டு when igneous, from that to dynamic metamorism, because in your book called metamorphic rocks, up to you want to mark there are thermal metamorism mark பண்ணிட்டு second also to dynamic metamorism. ஓகேவா, இது வரைக்கும் என்னது செகண்ட் தேர்ட் கொஸ்டினா, சாரி செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, 10th second question, Roman letter 10 second questions. So now we marked, classify and explain the rocks. Okay, did you understand children? Okay, third one, give an account on different layers of soils. Turn to the page 91. See, layers of soil, one box is given. Yeah, from there to that full layers. Okay, layers of soil, that box, that ஒரு வயலட் கலரில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கல்ல, அந்த பாக்ஸில் இருக்கிறது அப்படியே படிக்கணும். சரியா, ரோமன் லெட்டர் 3ன்னு எழுதிக்கோ பக்கத்தில். ரோமன் லெட்டர் 3. Roman letter 3. ஓகேவா, now fourth question. What is the fourth question? Classify and explain the soil. Classify and explain the soil. Classification of soil. Classification of soil, page number 90. Page number 90. Classification soil அதிலிருந்து desert soilsல soils are not successful. இது வரைக்கும் மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோ. So Roman letter 4. Roman letter 4. சரியா? கிளாசிஃபிகேஷன் சாயில்ஸ்லேருந்து டெசர்ட் சாயில்ஸ் ஃபுல்லாக ஓகேவா? அது ஃபுல்லாக என்ன செஞ்சுருக்கணும்? படிச்சிருக்கணும். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் கிளாசிஃபிகேஷன் சாயில்ஸ். ஓகே, now understand children? No need to write. Okay, just you mark and study, that is enough. Now homework. This is the previous answer for homework. Mark it, means sorry, not mark it, you correct it. Okay children, did you correct? Okay, now homework I am giving to you. Study and write one time. Only 2 questions I gave you. If you are not writing today, you can write next day also, because study is there. I gave more writing works. Yes, so no problem. 2 questions are there. You study and close the classwork note. Write the homework in the page. Okay, in that page, without saying you want to write. Don't cheat your parent. Okay, you say them, I am going to study these 2 questions ma'am has given, so I am going to write. Okay, write and see, that is good for you. Write fast. Only one time. Okay children, write and send to me. We will meet in the next video.